This morning, I woke up ready to go to work and listen to the radio in my car. And I don't know, but for some reason, my car radio wasn't working. It was really frustrating because now I had to listen to my own thoughts. But instead of taking it to the shop to have it fixed, I wanted to check something first. And I want to show you how I did that. Yes, there might be some times that you might actually have to take it to the shop. But in this case, we're going to have to try something first, something really quick in a way that we can fix it really fast. And if that doesn't work, then you can proceed to start looking for a shop that actually fixes car radios. The first step is don't waste your money, unless you need to, of course. But instead, check the fuse before thinking about taking the next step, selling your car. No, I'm just playing. But you will need some pliers or good nails, some patience to be able to find a fuse, a wrench to disconnect the battery, some determination too, because I was about to take it to the shop right away. Before I start walking, trying to find the solution for fix your car radio, you're gonna have to disconnect the battery. You're gonna have to open the car hood and look for the black wire which is connected to the battery and disconnect it. You can use the wrench, you can use whatever you can to loosen the screw. Always being careful not to touch the red with the black, which is on the other side of the battery. But once you're done, you're gonna lift it up and put it to the side. That black wire is gonna be negative. Once it's disconnected, you're gonna be able to walk finding the fuse and getting the fuse out and checking. You are going to put the wire carefully to the side like I'm doing right here, and then you're gonna go inside your vehicle to check if there is somewhere that says fuse. Every vehicle is different. The vehicle that I have is a Kia Soul 2012, so the fuse would be on the side by the steering wheel, and you're just gonna pull the plastic cover out and you'll be able to see the fuses. If you're lucky, you might be able to find some spare fuses which are located by the motor of your vehicle in the fuse box. If not, you can go to AutoZone and get some fuses from there like I did in this video. Make sure they are the same exact ones that you need for your vehicle. If you can't find fuses, pause this video, Google it, and search for images where they're going to show you where you're going to find the fuses in your vehicle. And then come back so I can keep explaining to you the next steps. You will take out the fuses carefully from the plastic with the nose pliers. And remember, always be really careful because it's plastic and it can break easily. But if you do it slow, you can take it out. As you can see, the fuse look really burned, and that's the reason why my car radio wasn't working. And now we replace that with a brand new fuse that I got from the auto store. When you go buy the fuse at the auto store, make sure to read the label of the package where the fuses come, because there's like some of them, they look similar to the other ones. And that's why you have to see the diagram in the actual label and what it says and compare it to the ones that you buy. You can even take the old fuse to the store or just take a picture of it and compare at the store. The price for a package with fuses is just $5. You can find the interior fuses of your vehicle on the side or by the glove compartment. This was taking me a little more than what I was expecting, but with all the instructions and the step by step that I am giving you, you'll be able to do it really quick. Now remember, just be careful putting the fuses back whenever you insert it. If there's a plastic holder right there, just be careful pushing it in because you don't want to break it, and that's gonna cause it for you to take a longer time to fix it, something that could have been fixed in just 5 minutes. And as you can see, these are the old fuses. You can see they are burned, and compared to the brand new ones that I got from the auto store, they look much better than the old ones. And yeah, that's how you do it. Now, carefully, you're gonna put the part back in the same position. If it's just the fuses, you're gonna insert back in the same position as it was. If you just wanna make sure, take a look at the diagram. This is gonna tell you how it was. But sometimes when I do this type of work, I make sure to take a picture of before I take them out. So I just can be 100% sure that it's in the same position that I found them. Now we're gonna put the wire back in this place. We're gonna connect that wire to the battery. making sure that it's tight and secure, and with the wrench, tight the screw. If you want to, don't put the plastic cover back on because you can tie and connect the battery and test if your radio is still working. If not, you're gonna have to take the plastic cover out and check the fuses again. Now, if you double check and you follow all the steps, now you can take it to a shop. If everything worked perfectly, then you just save yourself a couple bucks. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe if you like this video and share it if you want to help a friend. Now, tell me, is this the first time that you have worked on your vehicle?